హాయ్ ఆల్, నా పేరు వినీల్. మా డాడీ శ్రీధర్నినాథ్. హైదరాబాద్లోనే ఉంటాము. ఆన్ వన్ డే లైక్ లాస్ట్ మంత్ ఇట్ వాజ్ అ స్లిప్ అండ్ ఫాల్ కేస్. సో హిప్ జాయింట్ దగ్గర ఫ్రాక్చర్ అయింది. సో ఇమీడియట్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ బీన్ టు అపోలో లైక్ ఫర్ సిన్స్ వెరీ లాంగ్. అన్ని ట్రీట్మెంట్స్కి ఇక్కడికి వస్తూ ఉంటాము. సో వి థాట్ అపోలో ఇస్ అ రైట్ place, and immediately we called Apollo, and ఎమర్జెన్సీకి డయల్ చేయగానే immediately they sent an ambulance, and ఎమర్జెన్సీలో అడ్మిట్ చేశారు. Upon few investigations came to know that it's a hip fracture అయిందని. So they have to do a surgery, and ఇక్కడ రాగానే వెల్ noted and specialist, senior specialist in hip and knee surgery is Dr. K J Reddy అని చెప్పారు, and we heard about him as well. So immediately, without any further due, we said go ahead and okay with the operation. And KJ Reddy doctor, we are very much thankful and grateful to him for what he has done. So tanu vachi chusi ila, don't worry, within a few days he will be walking. Chinna fracture chesaddamu annaru, and that gave us a lot of confidence. And then next day, I think 1 or 2 days lo surgery అయిపోయింది. And after that, next day after the surgery, dad started walking, doing these baby steps. And tarvata continue, like after continuous physiotherapy, and dad is completely okay now. So more almost, I think within next month he'll be completely okay. We are very much happy with overall the process, and the overall hospitality we got, and especially Dr. K J Reddy chesna treatment, and the way he reached out to us, and this surgery is not a simple thing, and he has done it in a very fine way, and the post x-rays kani, like he has done an excellent job. So very much thankful to him, and I strongly suggest for anyone out there wants to do any hip replacement or knee replacement, I strongly suggest Dr. K J Reddy. The team of doctors does a great job too, and they every day come and do ask questions, and if there are any issues, they'll immediately sort out, and they're always reachable on the phone too. Grateful to Dr. K J Reddy and his team.